Hello everyone! Today I'm going to walk through the 2021 Virtual Sewing and Stitchery Expo registration with you. A couple of things to remember before you get started. Be ready with your personal information and payment details before you begin. We recommend preparing a list of classes you'd like to attend so you're ready to search. You can use the last page of the class catalog to plan your schedule. The catalog is available on sewexpo.com. You are only able to purchase tickets for yourself, so if you and a friend would like to attend a class together, you will both need to register separately. Finally, you will be able to modify your order from January 12th through January 19th. After January 19th, please call or email to add more classes. Contact information is available on sewexpo.com. Okay, let's get started. When ticket sales go live, head to the website. You will see this ticket icon appear in the website navigation. Select the icon to take you to the first page of registration. Step 1. Fill out your personal information. We recommend adding your mobile phone number for easy access to the event platform, but it's not required. Please read through each question carefully. Select Next on the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Select your classes. As you can see, your Expo admission ticket is pre-selected. Classes are listed below the admission item. You have a few options to search for classes. We recommend starting by searching for the class number or title in the search box. You can also refine your search results by selecting a teacher name. Or by whether or not a class requires a machine. You must complete your order to guarantee your spot in a class. Selecting a class doesn't pull it from the inventory. If a class becomes full, you will have an option to join a waitlist. All free stage classes and vendor presentations are automatically added to your schedule. During the event, you'll have the option to attend as many or a few of those as you like. Select Next to continue. Step 3. Select your special event tickets. The Saturday Night In and exclusive VIP events are with Matthew of Mr. Domestic. If you'd like to attend an evening event, select a ticket from the drop-down. Please note that a ticket to the VIP event includes a ticket to the Saturday Night In show. Select Next to continue. Step 4. Review your registration summary. Take a moment to review your order. Make sure you've selected all the classes you'd like to attend. Please note that kit fees are not included in your order total. You will receive more information about your classes via email closer to the event. Select Next to continue. Step 5. Review the terms and conditions and complete your purchase. Follow the payment instructions to complete your purchase. Select Submit. That's it! You've completed your order. You will receive a confirmation email to the email address you used to register. You will receive more details about the event closer to the event date. We look forward to connecting with you. Happy sewing!